Okay, Josiah.
Go ahead. Okay, Elijah, so we're going to do a Q&A.
Okay.
And your first question is... It's not really a question, but... Well, it is actually. Tell us how to tell if a blue Americana is a female or a male.
First thing I would do is I would look at two features. One is the comb. Is it starting to turn red? On the males, they start turning red earlier, of course, than the females. Also, the second thing I would do is look at the legs. If they have bigger legs with wider spread toes, it's usually a male. And then look on the back of the legs for a little spur starting. Then, depending on the age, you can look for curly tail feathers and such. But another thing is the male Americanas sometimes tend to get their beards later than your females will. So if the males don't have a good beard yet, then there's a good chance, if the chick doesn't have a good beard, then it could be a male. There's just different features you gotta look at.
You point the camera to me. This chicken here, what did you think it was? A male or a female? Because you saw it earlier.
It's a little hard to tell because it's young. It does have a bit of red on its head. I'm hoping that it'll be a male.
Okay. What do you think it might be?
I'm hard to tell yet, but I'm thinking male.
Okay. So the next question is, give me a second. How many days does it take for a pigeon's egg to hatch?
I believe it's 14 days.
Okay.
But I think that can depend a little bit on your breeds.
What about a Muscovy duck? How many days?
Muscovies, I want to say, are 5 weeks, which is 35 days, I think.
Okay.
Right around there.
Now, do you have an idea about pecans?
Pecans and other breeds that relate to the mallards, I want to say take 28 days. But I'm not 100% sure off the top of my head.
Okay.
4 weeks.
Well, you have an egg from a pecan and a Muscovy.
Mix.
Okay, which I call a
Muscovy.
A peak Scovy. Now, pecans, they do not fly, correct?
Nope.
Okay, I thought so. Muscovies, they fly, though, correct?
Yep, males and females. The males, once they get so big, they don't.
Your prediction, do you think the peak Scovy will fly or not?
Maybe the lighter females while they're young, but the males, no.
Okay. And why do you think that?
Because bannies lay white eggs or off brown eggs, usually.
You mean ducks?
Oh, because pecans are a meat breed, and Muscovies are also kind of meaty, so two meaty birds might be too chunky to fly.
Okay, well, guys, if you're wondering, bannies means bantams. The next question. Give me a second here. I'm making these off the top of my head. Okay, so, are we allowed to... Are we allowed to switch to plants?
Yeah.
Okay. Well,
wild ones have green leaves, but the purple ones have been selected through selective breeding. It's a genetic mutation of the plant, which is basically excess chlorophyll to have purple leaves. Kind of like a Japanese maple. They come in green and red.
Okay, I know this name, but I forgot it right now. The Swiss cheese plant.
Monstera deliciosa.
No, swiftly philodendron.
Oh, split-leaf philodendron,
That's what I was thinking about. Sorry about that. Swiss cheese is what I called it. Okay. Well, how big do you think those leaves get?
I don't know, 1.5 by 2 foot. Depends.
Okay. That is pretty big. That is the end of our question and answer, guys. I hope you enjoyed this Q&A on the Black Gold Homestead. We'll see you on the next video.
All right, thank you. Bye-bye.